Hi everyone, this is Priya Sharma. Welcome to our channel Make an App Like. Guys, we are a community of 150 plus writers and we always try our level best to keep coming with the new technology, new trends so that we can keep our audiences well informed about everything.
Welcome to All About Spicy Chat AI. In this video, we will explore the cutting-edge features and capabilities of Spicy Chat AI, a conversational platform designed to revolutionize user interactions across digital touchpoints. Spicy Chat AI aims to provide a unique space for users to freely explore their fantasies through AI-driven chatbots. Unlike many platforms that impose strict content moderation, Spicy Chat offers a private and secure space for users to engage in their deepest desires while maintaining strict guidelines against illegal activities. Getting started with Spicy Chat AI is simple. First, sign up on the website using your email or via Google, Discord, or Twitter. Once you verify your account, log in and navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create button to start building your chatbot. Customize your chatbot's voice and appearance, then deploy it across different platforms like websites, apps, or social media. Spicy Chat AI is renowned for its advanced natural language processing capabilities, enabling human-like interactions. Key features include OpenAI integration for enhanced intelligence and creativity, character creation and customization for personalized interactions, in-depth analytics to track and measure performance, multi-language support for global accessibility, AI-powered recommendations for personalized user experiences, robust privacy and safety measures to protect user data. Spicy Chat AI's performance is impressive, with approximately 38.51 million visits recorded in April 2024. The average session duration is 24 minutes, indicating strong user engagement. The platform enjoys a low bounce rate, reflecting high user satisfaction. Spicy Chat AI has a diverse user base, with significant traffic from the United States, Russia, Brazil, Saudi Arabia, and Malaysia. This global appeal showcases the platform's adaptability to different markets. While Spicy Chat AI is a prominent player, it faces competition from platforms like pefop.ai, Nastia.ai, atoolhunt.com, and Toolify.ai. Each competitor offers unique features, making the market dynamic and competitive. Spicy Chat AI holds a strong market position, ranking high for keywords such as Spicy Chat and Spicy Chat. This effective keyword strategy drives organic traffic and enhances visibility. User feedback highlights Spicy Chat AI's intuitive interface, comprehensive customization options, and reliable performance. However, some users suggest improvements in integration complexity and additional language support. Spicy Chat AI is continuously evolving, with future updates expected to introduce advanced AI capabilities, improved integration processes, and expanded language support. The platform aims to stay ahead of the competition through innovation and user-centric enhancements. Spicy Chat AI enforces strict community guidelines to ensure a respectful and safe environment. Prohibited topics include underage content, non-consensual activities, hate speech, and illegal activities. Users must respect personal rights and avoid creating chatbots based on real individuals without consent. Spicy Chat AI prioritizes data protection with SSL encryption and complies with privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA. The platform balances freedom of expression with responsible content moderation, ensuring user confidentiality and safety. Spicy Chat AI is a pioneering platform in the adult entertainment industry, offering unparalleled freedom and customization in AI-driven interactions. Its commitment to privacy, safety, and user satisfaction makes it a compelling choice. The future looks promising with plans for custom AI models and premium features to further enhance user experiences. Thank you for watching All About Spicy Chat AI. Visit our website to learn more and get started today.